You know, just about everybody enjoys a nice glass of wine. So I was looking for a nice way to display the bottle and the glasses together. That's not only convenient but also decorative. So let's see what I come up with. Come early March, we love to continue the hunt, but instead of hunting deer, we start hunting antler sheds. You see, every year around March, all the bucks drop their antlers. They just fall off randomly. The hunt for antlers is a great way to get some exercise. I love hiking the property. You never know what you're going to find. If you're lucky enough to find a matching pair, then now you have something amazing to hang on the wall. A nice slice of cedar works well for displaying your awesome find.
He told me he was looking for a job. He tried everything he could, he did what they said he should, but I saw Arkansas take it all. He said, oh Lord, they're taking my pay. Oh Lord, I got nowhere to stay. Oh Lord, just a bumming around today. Well, I saw a gal standing in some town. She was holding up a sign for downtown, looking for some work. She just needs a little perk. Well, I saw society just to let her be. She said, oh Lord, they're taking my pay. Oh Lord, I got nowhere to stay. Oh Lord, just a bumming around today. Whoa, hey! Across this land, I try to see the beauty the best I can. Well, I look to the east and I look to the west. Every chain has raped your land the best they can. We sing, oh Lord, taking my pain. Oh Lord, I got nowhere to stay. Oh Lord, just a bumming around today. I said, oh Lord, taking my pay. Oh Lord, I got nowhere to stay. Oh Lord, just a bumming around today. Come on now, sing it with me. Oh Lord, taking my pay. Oh Lord, I got nowhere to stay. Oh Lord, just a bumming around today. Come on now, let me hear it, sing it. Oh Lord, taking my pay. Oh Lord, I got nowhere to stay. Oh Lord, just a bumming around today. I said, oh Lord, taking my pay. Oh Lord.
We drilled our holes, right? So we got our holes for our wine glasses, but now we need a path for the wine glass stem to make it to the hole. So I've got to cut those out with my jigsaw, so we'll get that going real quick.
He said, oh Lord, taking my pay. Oh Lord, I got nowhere to stay. Oh Lord, just a bumming around today. Well, I saw a gal standing in some town.
Okay, so now we got our grooves cut. Good grooves. Put your wine glasses on. And then now we need to find a balancing point for the bottle. So where do we put this? Right there. So once we have our balancing point, let's take a pencil and we draw it. circle around the balancing point so we can put a hole in there. And wow, there's our hole. And now I just need to drill that hole. I'm using a 1 3/8 bit because I think that is more than enough, and I think it'll give me a far enough depth down the neck of the bottle so that it'll hang nicely. So here we go. See if we can make this happen.
We sing, oh Lord, taking my pain. Oh Lord, I got nowhere to stay. Oh Lord, just a bumming around today. I said, oh Lord,
Okay, so we got all our holes drilled, right? So it's all good to go. So I'm just going to put a little bit of polyurethane on it and seal it up real nice so it looks real pretty. Let's do that.
Lord, I got nowhere to stay. Oh Lord, just a bumming around today. Come on now, let me hear it sing it. Oh Lord, taking my pay. Oh Lord, I got nowhere to stay. Oh Lord, just a bumming around today. I say, oh Lord, taking my pay. Oh Lord, I got nowhere to stay. Oh Lord, just a bumming around.
Okay, so we're done. What do you think? You just grab that, head off to the back patio with some friends, enjoy a nice glass of wine, watch the sunset, make it happen.